Okay, so this is the next bit. So I'm now going to apply the cure to the copper or the spare rib, and I'm going to vac pack it. I'm going to put it in the fridge for 2 weeks. So I'm just going to turn it every day to make sure everything gets through it equally, and then we'll take it out the fridge and then we'll hang it. We'll net it. We'll hang it. And then it'll stay in there for another 6 weeks. Okay, so all I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put that in the bowl. And I'm just going to rub the cure in, so it gets right on every part of the meat. And we'll pop it in the bag. Like I said, I'll vac pack it. So this is, I've used Instacure 2 on this one, Prod 2 powder, because I'm just starting. Further down the line, when I get used to it and I'm comfortable, then I'll go more traditional, but just really err on the side of safety, really. So this is a spicy copper I'm doing, so it should be lovely. Okay, that looks pretty good covering. So we'll get the bags ready. That's going in the fridge now for 2 weeks, like I said, and I'm just going to turn it every day. All this stuff will soak up, but anyway, so we'll see you in 2 weeks, eh?